How to get your squad verified in Mobile Legends. So, a squad with a blue check mark means it's officially recognized or considered legit in the game squad system. It may unlock visibility, tournament eligibility, or simply carry prestige. So, most sources say that this becomes difficult to do because you would need to actually join official tournaments in Mobile Legends in order to have your squad verified. There are also other requirements like having a level 20 squad. Squad must have been active for some time, and of course, the leader is the one to initiate the verification. And other than that, the squad's power or rank may need to be in the top 20 in the season. So if you go ahead and look at the squads that already do exist, you'll most likely notice that they are from the top leaderboards. So encountering squads like those can become rare to see since the requirements of doing so has become more difficult. There is the option to buy verified squads, but of course the demand is high, and as we mentioned, squads like those and that are verified are difficult to find. But again, the main needs is to just join official tournaments. That is included as a squad, of course. But that's pretty much how you can possibly get your squad verified in Mobile Legends. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.